Hey Phenoms, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a little bit different than my usual ones. I'm going to be doing a voiceover while I demonstrate how I do my 2-strand twist on freshly washed natural hair. I hope you all enjoy. Okay, jumping right into things. This is my leave-in conditioner that I use. It is the Coconut Miracle Oil Conditioner. I love it. It's by OGX. It really makes my hair feel extremely soft. Mind you, I've already washed and deep conditioned and rinsed the deep conditioner out of my hair. I'll be sure to link all the products that I use below in the description box, and I'll also leave the shampoo and deep conditioner that I use. If you would like to see more about the shampoo and deep conditioner that I use, definitely be sure to check out my Instagram and my blog, where I show and give a little bit more insight on why I love those brands that I use as my shampoo and deep conditioner. So right now, as you can see, I am parting the back of my hair. I've already added the conditioner, the coconut conditioner, and now I'm just parting my hair to basically start the twist. They don't have to be perfect parts. That's one thing. It's like you can't see the back of your head, so it's not going to be a perfect part. And basically you just need it to be thick enough so that when your hair dries, it gives it some body. So I usually part a good portion of my hair, and then I put up the rest of my hair before I start, and yeah. Now, keep in mind, I like to make sure that I part it as straight as possible, and I comb it out and detangle it as much as possible before starting to twist my hair, because you do not want to twist tangled hair. It'll just knot up, which is not a good look in the long run. Now, as you can see, I've added a shower cap to the top of my hair that's not being twisted, and I'm using a more finer tooth comb to more detangle my hair. I'm now going to put in another leave-in conditioner that I love so much. Okay, I hope I'm pronouncing it right. The Mielle White Peony leave-in conditioner. All the Mielle products that I've used so far, I love. And I squirt a little bit in my hand, and it's it's not very thick, so I couldn't really show you on my palm, but it's like a milky substance. I love how it smells, love how soft it makes my hair feel, along with the other conditioner that I've already put in. Next, I'm going to be adding the oil in my hair, which is a castor oil. I usually do the peppermint castor oil, but I had ran out of that one. So I'm using whatever other castor oil that I have on hand, which I get all my oils from Sally Beauty. So this is the black castor oil. This oil really helped my hair when I was having hair loss from postpartum. So I just add that to each section before twisting. And now I finger part my hair, run the oil through, make sure it gets on all the strands of my hair, because like I said, my hair really needs a lot of moisture in order for it to be healthy while it's in 2-strand twist for up to a week. That's about how long I usually wear my hair in the twist. So I've parted my hair, finger parted it, and I'm going to begin 2-strand twisting it. Excuse my faces, I'm trying to watch TV as I'm twisting my hair and also trying to keep some sort of camera angle on my head while I'm twisting my hair. I'm going to fast forward through this part a little bit. So, you know, it's 2-strand twist, you just twist it. Voila, one twist is done. Mind you, I twist all the way to the bottom, no rubber bands. Now to get started on my next twist. I usually do 2 at the back bottom. So just like I did before, I make sure my hair is fully untangled, combing through multiple times. And now I begin twisting my second twist. So now the twist is done. I usually spin around the ends a little bit just to give it a little bit more curl and finish. So now when I'm doing the rest of my hair, I have to add water to my hair just because usually by this time it's probably beginning to dry because like I said, my hair dries extremely fast, especially it's summertime and it's warm. So I take off my shower cap off the rest of the hair and I go to part my hair before adding the water into the one section that I'm about to begin to work on. I don't add water to the whole head, just the one section I'm going to begin working on. So I part my hair. I make sure the part is as straight as possible. Mind you, it does not have to be perfect before I add the water into just that single part that I'm going to be working on, just to bring in a little bit more moisture, and I add in the rest of the products as I did previously. Also, I add my shower cap to the other part of my hair that I'm not going to be styling or working with at that time. So I went ahead and sped this twisting part up a little bit for you guys just because it's the same thing that I did with the first parts that I did. Just twisted it after adding the products, and yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and finish twisting the rest of my hair, and thanks to the magic of video, I'll be back, guys. Voila, and I'm back. So this is the very last twist that I am doing. The front of my hair is definitely a little bit straighter than the rest of my hair. If you've seen my other natural hair videos, you'll know that I have a lot of different textures in my hair. So the front of my hair is a little bit straighter. As you can see, the ends don't curl as much, but over time, as I'm wearing my 2-strand twists, they usually end up curling up a little bit. And I'm done. So that is my 2-strand twist. Usually I put a little bit more oil on my hands and just rub it over my hair. As you can see, it doesn't look perfect. The key is it's not supposed to be perfect because in the morning after sleeping with your scarf on, it'll flatten out the more puffed up edges. So I didn't do any super small or super big, but you'll see in the morning. This is my 2-strand twist at night. I usually put it up in a scrunchie. Then I add a scarf to make sure that my edges are flat and basically retaining all my moisture in my hair overnight. Because without a scarf, even if you have silk pillows, your hair will be very much looking rough, basically. Okay, so right here is where I realized like I need another scarf to cover the back of my hair. So I went and got my other scarf to tie to make sure that my bottom of my hair isn't hanging out. Oh, I'll see you in the morning. And it is morning. As you can see, I ended up just going with one scarf and just retying it differently. So I'm taking off my scarves. As you can see, my hair already looks a lot flatter than it did the night before. And as you can see, the edges are flat. Hair is still maintaining the moisture, and it looks a little scrunched up now, but as the day goes on, your hair will fall due to the fact that it's moisturized, so it's just going to go to whatever style that it falls into naturally. And I add some beads, some jewelry to my hair, some hair jewelry. So the mirror is right behind me that I'm using to put the hair jewelry in. I was kind of rushing, new mom problems. The baby was waking up, so I had to rush and put my hair up into a ponytail. But I usually leave 2 twists out in the front just so that it's not all pulled back. And I usually add some hair jewelry to both of the twists left out in the front. Yeah. Y'all see that hang time? Your girl got some hang time in her ponytail, her 2-strand twist ponytail. Ow. And I don't know why I stood up out of camera sight to add some jewels in the back of the twist in the ponytail just to give it another little definition, special little definition to the hairstyle. As you can see, the jewels that I added to the back, little details, it really makes the hairstyle stand out a little bit more. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. This is my 2-strand twist tutorial or demonstration. This is actually my twist 2 days later because I forgot to take pictures or video when I first did them. New mom problems. But make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one, Phenoms. Bye.